Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off vibration on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app, scroll down and go to the Sound and Haptics settings. Here you can see the Haptics option. Tap on it. Finally, to turn off vibration on iPhone, tap on the Never Play option. And this is how you can turn off vibration on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.